Wide angle lens, why you ask? Good question, I say. Look, sometimes when I'm shooting, I need to be a little further out than this. And this floor is really ugly. I don't really like shooting on seamless paper. I don't like the texture of it. I don't like how it feels. I don't like how it retouches. So we found a solution in this thing called EasiFrame. Now we've used this a couple of times. It's great. We've taken it on location. I've strolled in and shot on it and loved it, but I've never actually set it up myself. So Jacob has challenged me to set up the EasiFrame today. I think I can do it. So let's see if I can. All right, let's go. The only tool I've got to use to set this up is this 3mm hex thing. We have the upgraded one with the little plastic handle. It's extruded aluminium, and we only need this. And it's all marked up really nicely how to put it together. So without saying another word, let's go. So where does this bit go? How do you actually do it? Do you lay out the corners first?
Do you want help?
Yeah, I need help. I'm asking you how I do it.
You lay out the pieces.
So where'd you start? At the front or the middle or the back?
I start at the front.
Which is what letter?
A. Goes in alphabetical order.
Why don't you just put front?
I did put that up.
So that's done, it's done. I did need some help from Jacob. Lots of questions that you saw maybe me answering. And he did make some, things where the tape said C, but it's supposed to be G, but that's just Jacob for you. But it's pretty much done. Let me throw on some lights and I'll show you why it's useful in this short space for me. All right, I'm all set up on my EasiFrame. I don't have a lot of space, but I've got enough space and I've got a beautiful curved background, which is what I want. We have some Mann lights today for quick tech spec. It's a Forza 300B and a Forza 60B, and that's what's making the light. I'm shooting with my Leica, tether tools table, ready to go. You ready to make some shapes?
Of course.
Let's go. Nice. Oh, you handsome dog. Make some shadows, make some space. There we go. Why haven't we got no music? Do you always dance around with no music?
Pretty much,
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you're so handsome. That's cool. So think about that shape that you're making with the shadow, because that's what's going to sell us. Nice. Let's see, I know that you haven't danced since '86. But
yes.
Let me see you get yeah, there we go, that's cool. Okay. Any chance we can get one with your hair moving? See if we can get a shadow of your hair moving. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, I missed that. Hang on, I'm not ready. I'm ready. Yay! Well, these shots are looking really good, Lamont. Looks good, bud. Nice. Can I see, can you try and get one leg in it, so I get a leg in the shadow. So go back that way and lift that right leg and see if I can get it. Yeah, so something like that to get that shadow, you know what I'm saying? That's cool, that's very cool. You can let your hair down, there we go, nice. Nice. That was pretty cool. Okay, let's do one more set. All right, just take it away, do whatever you want to do, bud. Nice shapes. Nice. I kind of like it when you break that line for me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're, yeah, it's cool. That's cool when you break the line, that was great. Nice. So that's the EasiFrame. If you buy one stock, it might be a little different than ours. You do not have to have A-clamps up there. And if you're up against the back of a wall, you're going to find it a lot easier. We've got ours freestanding on one light stand. So much easier if it's up against a wall. Number two, I did set it up myself with some help from Jake. It's much easier with a second person and much faster. It's cool because you can have like a chair or something, I'm rolling about on it, I'm not worried about damaging it, and you can just throw it in the wash when you're ready and you're ready to go next time. Obviously, there's a whole lot of colors that you can get, or you can get something custom. Thanks, Lamont, for coming in. I really, really love this picture of you. I think that was really cool to do. I'm gonna post it on Instagram. How many likes do you think we'll get?
2.
We're gonna get 2 likes on Instagram. Check it out. See you next time. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. Tell me what you'd like to see next, and have a good week. Take photos. Bye.